Welcome, prospective students and parents. I am Joanny Hernandez, the principal of the Bronx School for Law, Government, and Justice, and I want to welcome you to our virtual open house. While I wish I could meet all of you in person in our beautiful school building, I recognize that the circumstances have prevented this from happening. But if there's one thing I can say about our school that we lovingly call LGJ, is that we have amazing students and amazing staff who always find a way to rise to the occasion, to love and nurture our students. We work from a place of love and are confident that your child will be in good hands. This past year, we have worked to find creative ways to help and support one another during remote learning in the middle of the global pandemic. And today, our students and staff have prepared our first virtual open house as a way to get to know our school better. We hope that you come away from tonight with a taste of what it means to be a member of the LGJ family, and we hope to welcome you in September. Thank you and take care of yourselves and each other.